Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for always watching my videos. My name is Forex4you and today I'll be teaching you how to trade Forex in demo mode. Trading Forex in demo mode helps you test out your skills before you put in real money, and as well does not carry any risk. In this video, I'll be making the trades just for educational purposes and not trading to either win or lose. I will be using Forex4you. In case if you've not heard of Forex4you, I made earlier videos about the Forex4you trading broker and I will leave the link to those videos in the video description. I will as well recommend you watch this video to the end so you do not miss any step. Let's do this. So I just signed into my Forex4you account. Once you sign into your Forex4you account, you are going to see all the accounts that you created. You can see this one, the classic. You can see E Global. Each one is assigned a unique name. Please take note. This one is real account. This is a demo account for MetaTrader 5. This is a demo account for MetaTrader 4. Okay. Down here is my Share4you follower account. Okay. For those that are copy trading. Okay. And this one is for affiliates. Now, basically for trading in demo mode, the first thing you are going to do, let's assume that you are new here, you don't have all these accounts. You just have to click on add an account, okay? Once you click on add an account, it will ask you which account you want to add. You get what I mean? Right from here, you will see demo account, but I think I've created a maximum of 2 demo accounts, so that's why my own is no longer showing demo accounts. So you just follow the on-screen instructions. You don't need to make any changes. Just create an account and you are going to see your demo account here. Okay, it's equally going to ask you whether you want for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I recommend you click MetaTrader 4. And once you create the accounts and have them here, you can add virtual funds. Okay, when you click on add virtual funds, for example, you see the funds I have here. You can click on add virtual funds and say I want to add another $500. Okay, add virtual funds. You can see automatically the money is added. Okay, once you do that and you have funds here, the next thing you are just going to do is to come down. Please take note of this. Come down here and download the trading terminal. This is for PC, for Apple, Android, and the rest. Okay, so for me, I clicked on this one. I already downloaded the MT4 platform. So when I click on it now, you will see that it is just going to start downloading. Okay, you can see the MetaTrader 4 platform has just downloaded. So you now run it, you just install it. So for me, I've installed mine, and let us go to my MT4 now and let me show you how to trade real fast. Okay, so when you go to my desktop, okay, let me refresh real quick. When you go to my desktop, this is it. You see it's written here, Forex4you. Okay, this is what you're going to use. You double click on it and then it opens. Okay, once it opens, you are not going to see all these things here. You're not going to see all these open trades here. It's just going to be blank, or it will have 4 windows. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to log in. Okay, you are going to log in. You're going to log in one of these your demo accounts, specifically the one of MT4. That's when you're going to log in. Okay, so you just come here and click on log into trade account. Okay, then please note this is very important. From here, you are going to select the type of account. Okay, and how do you know the type of account? Just come here and you will see it written E Global Trade Demo. Okay, E Global Trade Demo for MT4. Okay, so you just, when you create these accounts, I forgot, they are going to give you the account, the login details, the account number, and the MetaTrader 4 login. So please save it somewhere that you are not going to forget. Okay, you will now select what? E Global Demo. Okay, this classic is for real accounts. Okay, you can see it here that the classic 1 is for real accounts. So I select demo. Okay, and then you put in, you copy the login and the password. You can see it ended with 497. This one I'm using now, you see it's 497. Okay, so and you just click on log. You can save your account information and you click on login. So you can see I'm already logged in. And once you're logged in here, don't just get confused because of anything here, or it's not hard, it's not that complex. So let's just dive straight to the point. Okay, this is the markets window where you see basic currencies, pairs, okay, around here, and this is the accounts area. Okay, under here you can still see the open pairs, you know what I mean. And then I would also love to mention that this is for the charts, the minutes. Okay, you can see this is a 1 minute chart, 5 minutes chart, 15 minutes chart. I like keeping mine at 5 minutes charts. Okay, then down here you can see the trades that I have open. Okay, these are open trades. These are open trades. Your own may not have any of these lines when you open it. It may just have only this black one here. If you want to close the trade, you can close it from here, or you can just double click on it. If you double click on it, you can close. Okay, you see, so it's that easy. It's not that hard. Okay, you can close, you can delete. Okay, and close them up. Okay, so So you now delete all of them. You can see it's just clean like this. Now, how do you set a trade? How do you trade in the demo mode? Now, once you want to trade on the demo mode, just come here. This is new order, or you can right click here and click on trading and you'll see new order. Okay, so I'm just going to click here, new order. When you are here, direct to the point, this is the currency pair. You select the one that you want to trade. I would like to trade the Euro USD. Okay, then volume. This volume shows the amount of risk that you want to take. Okay, I recommend when you are trading, just keep yours between the 0.1 to 0.3. Okay, if I start diving into the theories, this video is going to be too long, but usually I use either 0.01 or 0.02 max. Okay, so when it's like this here, for this one, don't set anything yet. So you just come here. I don't recommend you use market execution. When you use market execution, you're just trading at any price that is available. Any price, just let it just trade. So, but it's not good like that. So it's good you have your specifics or your own settings. So you click on market execution down here, click on pending order. Okay. And then from here, you see 4 types of orders: the buy limit, the sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Okay. So I'm going to take them one by one. And I would love to start with the buy stop. Okay. So when you click on the buy stop, it's going to be like this. And then please just take a look at this place. Okay. Take a look at this place. You see the black line. You see the price here. When you're trying to buy stop, this price that you set here must be higher. You can see what they wrote here. They wrote here that open price you set must differ from the market price by at least 2 points. So you must take cognizance of whatever points they write here, okay? And then you can see 1.0, okay? What they are talking about here is this middle value, is this middle one. You see there are, apart from this 1 point, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is this middle one that you make sure that it is what's higher, okay, when you are using the buy stop. So we see 1.033, okay, I think that's fine. Leave the rest at 0, okay, and just copy this, come to your stop, paste it here, then come to your stop loss, lower it in 10 pips, 10 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then come to your take profits, paste it, and then go higher, okay, go higher in 10 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, and then you click place order. You can see this is just very simple, very, very simple. Now, the reason why it's good for you to set your stop loss and take profit is so that if the market is not going in your direction, like when you're losing, it's going to have a specific place that it will stop and you'll stop losing. And then for the take profits, when it reaches to a particular profit, you take your profit before it falls down again, okay? You can see now that it's turning green. When it's turning green, means that it's about to execute. This thing has not executed yet. Now, let me just show you something real quick. First of all, if you look here, you see that there are now 3 lines. You can see the top. This is my take profits. This is my stop loss. And this is where I place the trade, okay? Now, the market is going to execute when this price becomes this price, okay? When this price here gets to this point. You can see now it is what 0.3252. Once it gets to this 300, it is now 250 now. Once it gets to 300, it is going to execute. This is the price that we just bought, but the price has not yet, the market has not yet executed. It has not started reading yet, okay? So now that it's just green, it means that it's very close. And once this thing hits 300, what we set is going to trigger, and then we are going to start seeing whether we are losing or whether we are making profit. Now, right from here, you can see the order number. Okay, this is the order number that placed manually. You can see the time and date. Okay, time and date. You can see the type of trade. This buy stop. This is the size, the size of the lots or the risk that we took. Okay, this is the symbol that we trade. We traded. This is the price that we bought. This is our stop loss that we set, and this is our take profit that we set. So nothing hard at all here. Now, if you want to reset this, you can either double click on it and then you can reset and make some changes, or you can just take this and drag it up and drag this one down. Okay, once you drag it up or drag it down, it is going towards. Let me just give you an example. Once you drag it from here, take it up, okay, or take it down. You see, I've adjusted my stop loss and my take profits. Okay, that still doesn't mean that the trade is not going to execute. Well, let's just watch it. Once it gets to 300 now, it is going to execute. So while we're waiting for this one to execute, let us place another type of order. Okay, we'll come back here. Then the same thing. When you place it sometimes and it writes this invalid, it means that probably the market has triggered the price that you set. The current price has gone, way lower than that. So please note that what I'm doing does not guarantee you win or lose. I'm just trying to tell you how you do it. The way they set these parameters, most people give signals on how they set it, or you can copy professional traders, but if you want to place a trade by yourself, this is mostly how it is done. Okay, sell stop, and then we go again for this one, 3-1. Let's still maintain this price. Okay, or we can stay here and we go place. Okay, you can see it. You can see it's going. And if you look at this place, you can see your balance 791.13. If you go to our account, you see it. You see 792 points. This is 791.73. Equity, difference between balance and equity. Let me just tell you real quick. Balance is the total money you have in your trading account, in your either demo account or real account. And equity is the price plus or minus every open position, okay, or every open trade that you have. That's what's going to be showing here. But once the trade is completed, the whole balance is going to, if you don't have any open positions again or open trades again, the whole balance is going to be the same thing. Another way to place a trade is, well, just when you right click here, go to trading, you can see set sell limits. You set another one, and then you can now see that as well that one of our trades has executed. You can see, and right now it's in the negative. Okay, and I just did a trade now by what you see. I set a sell limit by just right clicking, trading, sell limits. Okay, and then you can have it there. Okay, then another way you can still set your buy limit is when you come here to, okay, to this new order, and you get what I mean, market execution, buy limits, okay, or set or sell limits. The major difference between the buy limit and the buy stop is that in buy limit, you have a specific price that you want it to buy. You have a specific price that if it doesn't get to that price, it is not going to execute. But for this buy stop, it means that once it crosses that price, execute. Okay, so there are lots of theories on how that is going to explain all this, but I'm just giving you the major points. You can still go to the internet and read more about the difference in the buy stop and the sell stop and all that, but this video is about practical on how to trade. Okay, you can see I have some open positions right now. Now another thing we can still do is for me to show you how to check your history. Okay, you can, if you come here, you can see trade, you can see exposure, you can see account history down here. Okay, you can see my account history down here for today. If I like, I can right click and say all history, or you can say custom and say for today, show me what I've done today, and it's going to show you what you have for today. So if you've not signed up on Forex4you, use the link displayed right here on the screen right now and sign up on Forex4you. Or you can as well click in the video description here on YouTube, and then you can sign up. So basically, that is how to place a trade with MT4 on Forex4you in demo mode. Okay, so just like I said before, I am not doing this to either win or lose. This is just for you to understand how this is done. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you don't enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And please share my video on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms, so that other people too can gain true value from the videos that I share online. And before I end this video, I would also love to state that trading Forex involves significant risk to your invested capital. An asset may be lost or diminished in value if you do not understand the market or know what you are doing. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.